Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Anastasia. I am a licensed cosmetologist of 3 years, and my main passion is makeup. Also, for those who are new here, if you don't mind just clicking the subscribe button down below, it's free. I would greatly appreciate it. I have noticed that a solid 80% of my viewers are people who are not subscribed, so if you don't mind taking that 2 seconds, probably 1 second, to just subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me. Okay, so I may look crazy. I have my blonde wig from that other video that's not glued down on with no makeup on, so I probably look absolutely insane, but that's okay. So today I am going to do a eyebrow tutorial. So I plan on filming 2 videos today, so you will see me looking like this again in another video, because I decided to like knock it all out at once. So yeah, these are what my eyebrows look like to start with. They are atrocious, absolutely atrocious. I have an insane work schedule, so I never get the time that I need to like go without makeup, without contacts, to get my eyebrows threaded like I used to. So yeah, that's why they look like this. So yeah, so the plan is I'm gonna show you how I make my eyebrows look amazing without, like, basically in between me getting my eyebrows threaded. So how I make it work. Okay, so you only need, if you have thick eyebrows like I do, then you're gonna need a pomade. I don't use a pencil because it's not thick enough of product. So the product I'm gonna be using is the ABH Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. I like how it's like focusing on my nail. Y'all see that? So yeah, as you can see, like, it is severely used, like severely used. And then you will need a thick, and I mean thick, concealer. So I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium sand. Is it focusing on my lips? How funky. I look crazy. So on a normal basis, I would have already moisturized and primed my skin before doing my eyebrows, but because I'm filming a tutorial after this, I will not be doing that because I will be showing that step in the other video. So yeah, I'm just letting you know that's something I would already do. So I'm just gonna take my spoolie on a Jeffree Star and Morphe JS7 brush. So it has a spoolie on one end and it has the actual brush on the other end. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to brush my eyebrows upward. So right now they look absolutely insane. When you brush them up, they look even more insane. Now it's up to you. So like for me, I would normally go ahead and like just cut them down. That's up to you if you wish to do that. I will do it because I hate when they get like this crazy. I suggest you do this at your own risk. Probably people who do eyebrows are just like, oh my god, what is she doing? But I've been doing this myself for a long time in between getting my eyebrows done, and I've never had an issue. And then also, it is up to you if you wish to go ahead and tweeze down your eyebrows, like clean it up around here and stuff. But I'm going to not do that for the sake of the video, just to show y'all what you can do with just makeup products. So then do the same on the other side. The other side for me is worse. So you can just see, like, my eyebrows grow back so freaking fast. It's insane. Like, I would need to go back like every 2 weeks. But the way my schedule's set up, that's impossible. So I'm just gonna take my brush and dip it in the pomade. Get some product on there. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start with this eyebrow. I'm gonna put the product on the end and form a tail. So I'm gonna go on the end, form the arch that I'm looking for, and then go down and make my tail. Get some more products. See how I'm like basically elongating my brow and bringing it down. So now that I have basically the shape that I'm going for, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. So now if you don't have as like if you don't have like the end of your eyebrow, then that's why I do the tail. But if you have like a lot of hair like me, basically I only needed to like shape it and then bring it down, and then that's all I needed to do. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm also going to take a small concealer brush, and I'm going to dip it in the concealer like so, and I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my brow. See? So I'm literally just carving it out. Take some of the product, bring it down a little. I also use this as my eye base as well, in case you were wondering. Luna, mommy's filming a video. So I'm basically just, like I said, carving out the brow. I will do this on the top of my brow as well to like really clean it up. So I'm just gonna put it on the top and then bring it down. That's what really polishes it. See? Now of course you can do this with any shape that you are going for. I personally like to go for thin and arched myself. So this is exactly the shape that I would ask them for when I go get my eyebrows done anyways. I would be like, I want my eyebrows thin and arched. And usually I actually do like it when I grow out my eyebrows a little bit thicker, because then they have more room or more to work with and more to like change up the shape if I wish to do that. So yeah. So I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. The brush that I'm using to blend out my concealer is the Morphe M335 brush. It's like a stippling brush, perfect for cream products. So now I'm just gonna blend out this. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I do not have any foundation on, and I do plan on putting foundation on top. So that's why I can be very messy with this process, and it would be okay. Now underneath, not necessarily, because I'm not gonna put any foundation on there. Sometimes I run it underneath my eye to brighten my eye a little bit more. So now I'm just gonna set my eye, and I'm using a plain powder. I'm just gonna set this, and I'm also gonna set the above so that way it doesn't like slip and slide anywhere. My lighting is like super bright. See the difference? Like look at this eye and then look at this eye. Huge difference. Now, of course, you can still see like I still have some hairs in here too. So it's up to you if you want to like, you could put another layer and then keep concealing and powdering it, and then it will completely vanish. But me personally, I leave it, and I do take tweezers sometimes, and I will pluck out the hairs that specifically stand out. Because then also it makes it easier for pulling out those specific hairs that are like really making an appearance that do not want to hide. So it's all up to your personal preference and what you want to do and what you have time to do. Especially if you like are late for work or late for an event, you got somewhere to be, you ain't got time to be plucking your eyebrows like this. So like me, I'm off today finally for the first time in a long time. So I will take some time and pluck out the hairs that I see are not wanting to hide underneath the concealer. See, now it looks a little better. I can still see some, but it's up to you and what you're feeling. Feel like doing. So yeah, it looks pretty dang good. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other eyebrow off camera, and this is what it looks like. It is so much different from what it was starting, and this is a really good fix for if you haven't been able to go get your eyebrows fixed or threaded or tweezed or whatever the reason may be. All you need is a really good pomade. All you need is a really good pomade and a really thick concealer like the Tarte Shape Tape, or even I think Derma something. There's another one that used to be crazy on Twitter or Facebook where it was like really thick foundation or concealer, that you could use that too. So basically anything that's like super thick, you could use that. A good powder to set it, and then boom, done. Don't even notice that your eyebrows were horrendous to start with. So basically this is what I normally do on an everyday basis. This is exactly what I do. This is my eyebrow routine. I really hope that this could have helped you. I'm sorry I couldn't help those who may have no eyebrows and are looking to see how do they sketch their eyebrows, because I couldn't show you an example since I have way too many eyebrows. So yeah, if this helped you, please share with your friends.
Hey, Mommy, look.
I see him. Tell him to get. Anyways, share with your friends, Facebook groups, makeup groups, anywhere. Oh my gosh, my child is being nuts, like absolutely nuts. I would really appreciate that. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you have a good rest of your evening, morning, night, whenever I post this. Bye.